And this is our 14 kilowatt generator. Along with this, we're going to be setting up this guy right here. All right, good morning everybody. We are currently out here in Monroe. We are going to be putting up a generator with a 16 circuit transfer switch. Now with that in mind, let's go check it out real quick and show you. Well, as you see, we meet our clearances of not being in front of the meter, and this is our 14 kilowatt generator. Along with this, we're going to be setting up this guy right here. So yeah, we'll be getting that set up, and we'll be picking and choosing the circuits that the customer is wanting to add, and we are going to go from there. So yeah, by all means, stick around everybody. We'll be right back and you'll see some action happening. All right, we are back. We are getting set up. We'll be taking downstairs and you'll be seeing Logan and me here soon. And then we're going to be securing it up into here, right along, and then we're going to be putting the transfer switch right on that side.
Found another circuit we should definitely reach.
Right. And here's another sneak peek, folks. Something you don't do. This wire right there is landed on there. They have it wire netted and with yellow wire nut. We do not use green for jumpers. That is just stupid, and whoever did it, shame on you. We're going to fix it though. Sorry, just in case anybody didn't hear what we're going to be doing. Since this is a 16 circuit transfer switch, we're going to be designating 16 spots. Some of those are going to take up 2 because of double pole breakers, but we're going to be designating a few of them so that way they go over. That way if generator goes out, powers up only those sections. Now normally we do that just because of the fact of if somebody can't afford, you know, a full home upgrade / service update and everything else like that, we'll do this in order to at least provide them a means to peace of mind.
He did.
All right, give us a little bit, guys, just to save on battery life. We will be right back. You'll be able to see more in a little bit. All right, bye. All right, with that in mind, we are almost done. I will show you all what's going on, but right now we are up and running for Generac Generator. So we are going to be getting that all set up for them, registered through the website, get them all set to go. We are going to be going inside afterwards. We're going to take a look at everything, but just hold tight. Now you guys want to go and stay here and watch the activation process because it has some sensitive information we're not going to share. So we'll be right back, guys. And as I said, we have Logan right here. Looks like he's putting in some finishing touches. But all in all, we're getting ready to head out. We'll give you a brief demonstration after everything's all taken apart from the old and reconnected to new. We are now hereby done and just cleaning up. So we just got this little bit left, but this is fully functional as of even right now. So again, some circuits are left in there that are not essential, but everything over here is essential. They are good to go in case power goes out. So another successful run. Customer is all done and paid for, all taken care of. Let's move on to the next one. See you next time, guys.